Tiny gun attachments that are almost impossible to spot if you're not looking for them can actually be used to make a firearm even more deadly, and they're rapidly increasing the number of Americans hurt or killed by gun violence. CB Cotton explains.
A deadly new industry contributing to the surge of gun violence across the country, sometimes called conversion devices or switches. They're small attachments made of metal or plastic that can make a gun fully automatic.
All aimed at doing the same thing, which is making a legal firearm into an illegal machine gun.
The modifications are illegal under federal law, but easily obtained, ordered online, or made with a 3D printer. Instead of firing one round at a time, a semi-automatic weapon now keeps firing until the shooter lets go of the trigger. Between 2017 and 2021, the ATF reported a 570% increase in the number of the devices seized by police. They're frequently used in gang violence and significantly increase the risk to innocent bystanders.
It used to be that 5 rounds, 4 rounds were fired, and now 50, 60, 70, 80 rounds are exchanged in that same time period back and forth.
11-year-old Dominique Davis was near his mom's home in Cincinnati when he was hit by gunfire from a passing car. Police say 22 shots were fired in the span of just a few seconds, likely through the use of a conversion device. His father now grieving an unimaginable loss.
He didn't deserve to go at all. He didn't deserve to go like he did, and it wasn't his time.
Many states don't have specific laws against the devices. The ATF is now working to train local law enforcement agencies on how to spot them and get them off the streets. Reporting in New York, CB Cotton, Fox News.